Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Say hello to Boo.
Hello.
Turn it now. Ito yung sinend nila. Ito yung nagkamali sila ng tatlong beses. Pero ito na ngayon. This is Astroloba spiralis. Aray!
That's the mystery plant.
So ayan, ito yung kanilang replacement. This is the Trichoceros pasacana. Vicious.
Oh, I remember that. Not a lot of people order that because, yeah, it is vicious.
Vicious.
Ladies can't put it
Aray.
Ladies can't put it with fluffy cats. Fuzzy bunnies.
Ano? So, ayan to. Trichoceros pasacana. Diba? Matinik na matinik. Titanopsis calcarea. Kung ano man yan.
Interesting that one, isn't it?
It's interesting, my friend. Cute. Ay, 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 ay. Lahat to rooted. Euphorbia flanaggiani. Crested. It hurts. It really hurts na magmahal ng ganito.
Look, that's a bit weird, isn't it?
It's not mushy, but the color is different.
What's that about Jane?
Jane? You sure? Mushy? Uh-oh. Hindi naman.
Cinnamon?
No, I said hindi naman.
Cinnamon.
Oh, this is the ones that I showed you, like the dragon thingy.
Yeah, it does look a bit pissed off after that.
Yeah, it looks very unhappy.
Just look.
Interesting, guys. Search nyo. Gymnocalcium baldianum.
Actually, cool.
Parang ano lang, oh. Gagamba. Parang si Gagamboy. And this one is a Euphorbia rossi. Rossi balasi. Mukha siyang hindi, mukha siyang wala lang, pero
Nabuhay.
this is Neosilenia dimorpha. The rock. Has a, is it like maroon thingy at the bottom? Diba may effect? Succulent canigirali. Interesting. Daming daming pops, or it's a flower. Ang kulit ng itsura. Parang maliliit na gagamba na naman. Gymnocalcium denudatum. Oh my gosh. Ano na nga? Kanto yata. Yeah.
The infamous Astroloba.
The what?
The infamous.
Cactus hybrid variegata. Haworthia. I don't know what Sevia, but yeah. Kikuhigasa. Japanese. Cultivar. Tadan! This is cool. I like this one.
Wow, that's a Haworthia.
On this side.
We can go on for a bit and then we'll
Yeah.
take
It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! Turbinicarpus. Pseudopectinifera. Crested. Ay, awan. It's S for Soltura, baby. Oh, yes. Wow. Wow, this is cool, bro. Grafted. Thanks, Cactus Anonymous. this is, it's Pilosocereus tilianus. Oh,
Pilocereus.
Pilocereus.
The blue.
Pilocereus tilianus. We don't have this yet, maybe? We don't have this yet?
Sure. I might have it. I might have a big one that just doesn't have a name on it. I do dig them out of people's yards sometimes.
Okay.
But generally I'll buy any small pup the whole time.
No.
How would it be fun?
Say grafted cactus, Echinocereus viribiflorus, Davichi, brevispina. Namumulaklak ang hitad. Maganda yung ganito yung grafted for the plants, for the cacti. So this is what we all got. Nailipat na ni Pogi. Ni Guapo. Ayan. Ang aming crafted. Ang cute. And this, the Astroloba spiralis. Astroloba. Ooh. It's a Haworthia. It's very cute as well. No, what I'm saying is this is the expensive one.
Yeah, the little
The
one.
crested. $25 for that. And yeah, I don't know which is the $15 he.
Most of the other ones were about
15.
or
Yeah. So, ayan na sila.
Masarap.
Masarap. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.